Today we're making a delicious no-bake cheesecake with jelly and strawberries. It's super easy to make and tasty. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. We need 200 g of butter and a cup of sugar. Melt them together. Once dissolved, we'll add a kilo of tub cottage cheese and 3 whole eggs. Cook the mixture until it's hot but not boiling. Then take 2 vanilla pudding mixes, add 125 milliliters of milk, and pour it into the hot cheese mixture. Cook until the pudding thickens and the mixture boils. Then set it aside. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, then spread half of the hot cheese mixture over a layer of biscuits. I'm using a 26 centimeters tray. Spread half the cream, then add another layer of biscuits. I used about 45 biscuits for this. Now spread the remaining half of the cheese cream. I evenly spread the last layer of biscuits and set the cake aside. To cool. Once cooled, we can refrigerate it. Meanwhile, we prepare the jelly. 2 strawberry jellies dissolved in 750 milliliters boiling water. I have 500 g strawberries ready. When the mixture starts thickening, we add strawberries, then pour the jelly. It's best if the jelly is also thickening when we pour it over our strawberries. The strawberries can be fresh or frozen. Other fruits work too. Chill the cake overnight. Our delicious cheesecake is ready. Enjoy!